So, how do you use a timer on your Android camera? First, we'll open up the camera, make sure you're in photo mode, and on a Samsung phone, you'll see a clock or timer icon either on the top of your screen, or you can tap those four little dots to view more settings. And over here, I see a little clock. I'll tap in, and I can change the timer between 2, 5, or 10 seconds. Once the timer is set, I'll just tap the shutter button and I get that countdown before the photo's taken. If you're using something like Google Pixel, Motorola, or something else with stock Android, the camera app looks a little different. I'll open the camera, make sure again I'm in photo mode, and then tap the settings gear icon on the bottom. Here I have my timer options and I can set it to 2, 5, or 10 seconds. I'll tap away to go back to the main photo view, and after that, same thing. Hit the shutter, countdown starts, and the photo gets taken. Another easy way to do this would be to use the Google Assistant. Hold the side button and say, "Hey Google, take a picture in 5 seconds." And that voice prompt will automatically launch the camera and start the timer for you. And then take the photo once the time is up. Anyways, that is how you use the timer on your Android phone's camera. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.